News that's coming in at the moment is the Bharatiya Janata Party that has fact-checked Rahul Gandhi on the claims that he has made over Maharashtra elections. The BJP said the Election Commission has cleared the air on voter list claim. Rahul Gandhi's goal is only to have chaos and not clarity. Rahul Gandhi is sowing the seeds of doubt. He's man when Rahul Gandhi is always quiet when it's the Congress party that wins state elections. When they won in the state of Telangana and in the state of Karnataka that time, no questions were asked by Rahul Gandhi on the poll process. BJP in fact goes a step ahead and says that Rahul Gandhi's words are straight out of Soros' playbook. This is a big war of words taking place. Once again, we are seeing a war between Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party. BJP is now saying Rahul's words straight out of George Soros' playbook.
स्कूल में पढ़ने वाला बालक जब परीक्षा में फेल हो जाता है तो घर आकर माँ से कहता है कि परीक्षा में जो सवाल थे वो पुस्तक के बाहर के थे, या कुछ भी मनगढ़ंत बहाने बनाता है। वो ये स्वीकार नहीं करता कि उसने परीक्षा के लिए जिस प्रकार से तैयारी करनी चाहिए थी, तैयारी नहीं की, उस कारण वो पास हुआ नहीं हुआ। और वही हालत श्रीमान राहुल गांधी जी की है। यानी सेम ईवीएम मशीन, वही चुनाव आयोग, वही सारे प्रशासन के लोग। लोकसभा में कांग्रेस जीतती है तब सब कुछ अच्छा, और महाराष्ट्र की विधानसभा में कांग्रेस हार जाती है, तुरंत ईवीएम पे, चुनाव आयोग पे, सब पे सवाल। ऐसे दोनों तरफ से आप ढोल कैसे बजा सकते हो? परीक्षा में फेल हुए हो, स्वीकार करो। विगत 15 वर्षों में जितने चुनाव राहुल गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में पूरे देश भर में लड़े गए, 99% चुनाव में फेल हो गए हो। क्या सब जगह पे ईवीएम खराब? और यदि आपके पास कुछ पुख्ता सबूत है, किसने रोका है आपको? क्यों नहीं जाते न्यायपालिका में? क्या उस पर भी आपका भरोसा नहीं है? इस प्रकार बालक के भांति सवाल उठाना क्या अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से संविधान का अवमान नहीं है?
My colleague Dipesh is now joining me on the story. Dipesh, big controversy. Rahul Gandhi has written a lengthy article speaking about the fact and something that the Congress party and the other parties in the state of Maharashtra have been saying since the Maharashtra result came out, that there has been massive rigging that has taken place in the voting process.
Yes, definitely. Now, Rahul Gandhi statement came that Maharashtra elections, especially Maharashtra Assembly elections, were managed. After that, BJP started slamming back Rahul Gandhi, and now BJP MLA Ram Kadam said that Rahul Gandhi is behaving like a childish. He is behaving like a schoolboy who was complaining all the things and not doing anything to improve the things. He said that Rahul Gandhi this is a time for him to self-assessment. He should recognize that because of his party leaders, they are leaving the party, and this is a time where he should focus within the party, and he is focusing on the issues which are not relevant. So yes, definitely now the Maharashtra politics has been heating up after the statement of the Rahul Gandhi, and now the BJP leaders are taking a dig on Rahul Gandhi's statement, and they are also claiming that 99% of the elections was lost by the Congress in the supervision of Rahul Gandhi. So definitely Rahul Gandhi needs for a self-assessment as per the BJP leaders are claiming right now. Yes.
Thank you, Dipesh, giving us those details. Self-assessment needs to be done. That's what the BJP is saying with regards to Rahul Gandhi making big claims that Maharashtra elections were rigged. And he's also saying that Bihar elections, the upcoming elections, will also be rigged.